Hi, my name is Irene from Adroit Architecture. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If this is your first time on our channel, karibu sana. If you've been here before, thank you for your continued support. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. We really appreciate the support and the feedback we are getting from you. Today we bring to you yet another maisonette house plan. Let's take a look at the Grande 4-bedroom house plan. The Grande 4-bedroom house plan is an extremely spacious all-en-suite home. This home offers a lot of space for a family with a lot of room for growth and expansion. As we always say with these big house plans, they are perfect for a large family that values its space. They can also be easily converted into holiday homes or guest houses because of the amount of space they offer. So if you're interested in building that spacious family home with an enclosed garage, this house plan is the best for you. The front entrance porch leads into the entrance hall of this house. The entrance hall filters into all the other rooms. On one side of the entrance hall, you have the staircase. You have a store and a laundry room that has been tucked right under the staircase, putting this space to good use. On the other side of the entrance hall, you have a spacious lounge, offering you more than enough space for your furniture and fittings. Space has been provided for a cozy fireplace. Right ahead from the entrance hall, you have a spacious formal dining room. The kitchen sits right beside the dining room, with a breakfast nook island provided. The kitchen has a large walk-in pantry and a door leading to the backyard. The backyard sits under a pergola roof, great for your outdoor hangout. An ensuite bedroom sits on the other side of the dining room. This bedroom is perfect as a guest wing, complete with a reading area and a lot of closet space. You have an enclosed 2-car garage with a door from the garage that leads you to the inside of the house. Upstairs, you have a grand master bedroom, perhaps the reason why we named this house plan Grande. If you want a master bedroom with all the bells and whistles, this one is for you. It is spacious with a sitting area and a nice dresser for the lady of the house. And an equally spacious bathroom, complete with a jacuzzi-style bathtub. You have 2 additional well-sized ensuite bedrooms. These bedrooms can be used for a single occupant or shared by 2 people. There is a spacious study room or office that has been provided upstairs that can be used by many people at the same time. A TV room or a family room has been provided upstairs, another great place for your hangouts. There is a front-facing balcony accessible to all. The total size of this house plan is 434 square meters. The ground floor offers you 249 square meters and you have 185 square meters on the upper floor. The overall plinth dimension of this house plan is 16.8 meters by 18 meters. This home is perfectly suited to fit on a quarter-acre piece of land. That is 100 feet by 100 feet. The estimated cost of construction for this house plan is 15.6 million. We use the construction cost handbook to estimate the cost of construction. This is a handbook that is provided and updated every year by the Institute of Quantity Surveyors of Kenya. Keep in mind that there are a lot of factors that can affect the cost of construction. And that is the Grande 4-bedroom house plan, a spacious all-en-suite 4-bedroom house plan with an enclosed garage. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in our next video.